On the rugged California coastline, a slender white rocket stood poised against the early morning sky. This was not just any rocket, it was a SpaceX Falcon 9, ready for another journey beyond our world. Its precious cargo Sentinel-6B, a satellite with a vital mission, to track the relentless rise of our global oceans. The Falcon 9, with Sentinel-6B nestled in its payload fairing, symbolized our collective desire to understand the changes we've set in motion. This launch was more than a technical achievement, it was a promise to keep watch and provide the knowledge needed to navigate a changing climate. Every person on the launch team felt the weight of this important task. Sentinel-6B would join its twin already in orbit, doubling our capacity to monitor the seas with incredible accuracy. The mission was a testament to human curiosity and our instinct to protect our home. The moments before a launch are filled with a unique kind of silence, heavy with anticipation. The Falcon 9 stood as a silent promise of the thunderous power it was about to unleash. Its mission, not to conquer space, but to serve the Earth. A sentinel preparing to begin its long and vital watch over our rising seas. Sentinel-6B is a highly sophisticated measuring tape for the world's oceans. Its job measures sea surface height with astonishing precision, down to the millimeter. From over 1,300 kilometers above, it detects tiny variations in water height, continuing a critical data record spanning over 3 decades. This unbroken chain is essential for understanding not just that sea levels are rising, but how fast and where. The satellite uses a radar altimeter, sending microwave pulses to the ocean and timing their return to map the ocean's topography. It reveals the hills and valleys of the ocean surface, shaped by currents, winds, and warming waters. This detail is crucial for improving weather forecasts and understanding global ocean circulation. Global sea level is rising at an accelerating rate. Sentinel-6B helps us quantify and model that acceleration. Its data allows scientists to separate the effects of thermal expansion and melting ice, building more accurate models of future sea level rise. This information is vital for coastal communities planning for the future. Sentinel-6B's data will feed directly into climate models, making them more robust and reliable. In essence, it provides foundational data that underpins our modern understanding of Earth's climate system. The morning of the launch was classic Vandenberg: thick coastal fog, suspense, and uncertainty. Launching a rocket is a delicate dance with physics and weather, and fog can present real challenges. With minutes to spare, the call came. All systems go for launch. The final countdown began. 3, 2, 1, 0. The Falcon 9 engines ignited, unleashing nearly 2 million pounds of thrust, tearing through the fog. The rocket lifted off, its thunderous roar rolling across the hills and out over the Pacific. This launch showcased the progress in reusable rocket technology. The first stage booster was a seasoned veteran. Reusability lowers costs and makes ambitious missions like Sentinel-6B more feasible. Minutes after liftoff, the first stage separated and began its journey back to Earth. The booster performed a series of engine burns, guiding itself to a precise landing at Vandenberg. Its successful touchdown meant this hardware would fly again, supporting future missions, another victory for science and our understanding of Earth. With the first stage separated, Sentinel-6B's journey was just beginning. The second stage, powered by a single Merlin vacuum engine, continued the push into orbit. The rocket soared higher, leaving Earth's weather systems far below, climbing toward the black of space. After the first burn, the rocket coasted above the planet, awaiting the perfect moment for the final engine burn. Timing and precision are everything in orbital mechanics. One stunning moment, the deployment of the payload fairing, exposing Sentinel-6B to space for the first time. Now the satellite was no longer a passenger, but an active participant, preparing for life in a harsh new environment. The second stage reignited, placing Sentinel-6B into its final operational orbit, 1,336 kilometers high. Springs gently pushed the satellite away from the rocket stage. Sentinel-6B was now flying free, ready to unfold its solar arrays and power its instruments. The launch was a success, but the real work, commissioning and calibration, was just beginning. The Sentinel had arrived at its post. Sentinel-6B is a shining example of what humanity can achieve together. This satellite is the result of a remarkable international partnership between Europe and the United States. Key players: ESA, EUMETSAT, NASA, NOAA, and France's CNES, each contributing essential expertise and resources. European organizations led satellite development. American agencies provided scientific instruments, launch services, and ground networks. This division of labor created a more robust mission than any single agency could manage alone. The challenges we face, like climate change, are global, so our solutions must be global too. Data from Sentinel-6B will be shared openly, benefiting scientists and governments worldwide. The mission reflects the unity of our Planet One interconnected system, one shared goal. Engineers, scientists, and controllers across continents are united by a common purpose. Their work provides the world with a clearer picture of our changing oceans. In the face of global challenges, our greatest strength is cooperation. Monitoring sea level is a matter of survival for millions worldwide. Rising seas threaten coastal communities, amplifying storm surges and flooding. For low-lying island nations, it's an existential threat. Saltwater intrusion contaminates freshwater supplies, ruining crops and ecosystems. Sentinel-6B's data helps planners anticipate threats and protect water resources. Our global economy depends on the oceans. Accurate sea level data improves shipping safety and efficiency. The health of our oceans is tied to the health of our economy. The information from this mission empowers communities to make informed decisions: where to build, when to relocate, how to adapt. Millimeter-scale measurements from space translate into actions that save lives and livelihoods. That is the true power and purpose of the Sentinel mission. The launch of Sentinel-6B capped a remarkably busy week in spaceflight. Rockets lifted off worldwide, each with unique missions reflecting the accelerating pace of space activity. Government agencies and commercial companies are driving a new era of exploration. Just days before, another launch added Starlink satellites to a global internet constellation. Each mission, whether for science, communication, or exploration, pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Astronauts aboard the ISS conducted experiments, while teams on Earth prepared for future crewed missions. Access to space is becoming routine, enabling more science and innovation. The successful launch of Sentinel-6B is both a major achievement and part of a larger tapestry of progress. This increasing cadence allows us to use space to solve problems here on Earth. It's an exciting time to be looking up. Sentinel-6B's legacy will be written in the data it collects over the next decade and beyond. Alongside its twin, it sets the new gold standard for sea level measurement, ensuring a priceless climate record continues. This uninterrupted data stream is our most powerful tool for detecting climate change. The data will underpin thousands of scientific studies, refine climate models, and inform policy worldwide. It will be made freely available, empowering everyone from local planners to global leaders. The mission's philosophy: democratize data for maximum impact. Sentinel-6B transforms climate change from an abstract concept into a measurable reality. Its charts and maps will educate and inspire a new generation. The satellite does more than collect data. It inspires global stewardship for our planet. The image of Falcon 9 rising through the fog, carrying Sentinel-6B, is a symbol of hope. This mission unites people from different nations and fields, focused on understanding and protecting our planet. From orbit, Sentinel-6B sees not borders, but a single shared ocean, connecting us all. The knowledge it provides empowers us to build resilient communities and be better custodians of Earth. Missions like Sentinel-6B give us the most critical tool: clear, reliable information. Knowledge replaces anxiety with purpose, letting us shape the future with confidence. The greatest promise of space exploration is the perspective it gives us on our own world. Sentinel-6B embodies this principle, traveling to space to serve Earth. When we work together, guided by science and purpose, there's no challenge we cannot meet. The Sentinel is now on watch, helping us see our shared horizon more clearly. The future is something we build together, one measurement, one discovery, one mission at a time.